ChatGTP roast careers. Ho ho ho! This one is going to be personal. Hi everyone, I'm Steve Over, your number one AR stand-up guy. This is all jokes, it's all fun. And if it hurts, you gotta blame the algorithm. GPT, episode 3, the roast of influencers. Influencers don't have jobs, they have angles. Every problem is content. Every meal is a shoot. Every emotion is monetized. Ugh, roasted. They say, I'm so busy today. Busy doing what? Ring lights, outfits, deleting takes, reposting the same video with a different caption. Ugh. They wake up like, good morning, fam. And nobody knows you. Influence call themselves digital creators. You filmed yourself opening a box. Roasted. Relax. Every influencer is an entrepreneur. Until the rent is due. Roasted. Money doesn't matter. That's because brand deal is pending. Roasted. Influence don't age, they rebrand. 1 year fitness, next year mindset, then crypto, then spirituality. Same person, new niche, and they preach authenticity while copying trends from someone else. Roasted. Final truth. Influence don't influence lives. Roasted. They influence impulse decisions. Roasted. And promo codes. Double roasted. This is comedy. And if you're offended, make a response video. If this was accurate, hit like. Take an influencer who's working on something big and follow Steve Over AI. Because careers are getting roasted daily. Roasted. Episode 4 is coming next. And yeah, it's going to get worse.